Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app. This app is known as Stark VPN. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are browsing online. So this app is already on Google Play Store. So today I'm gonna show you on how to configure it, on how to set it up, and how to create its configuration files, and I'll show you from the start to the end so that you can set it up and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra layer of security when you are online. So you head over to Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. When you reach on Google Play Store, you search for Stark VPN. This app is known as StarkVPN Reloaded. So you pick this one, StarkVPN Reloaded. So you open the app to set it up, and as we open this app, make sure to like, share and subscribe on this channel before we start the guide. When you reach in the app interface, you are required to do some little settings. First of all, you are required to find out which connection method you are gonna set up. So you tap right here where you see none, and among the presented you must have at least one of the connection methods set up so that this app works. First of all, you can either set up the custom settings or you must have the imported settings. So for today's guide, let's set up the custom settings. And after choosing these custom settings, you go back on your home screen. So for this app to work, you must have an extra app which will help you in the setup so that this app can work, as it secures your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So the app we are gonna use, it is called Kofnet. Install this app, it's known as Kofnet. This app is gonna help us when you are setting up this app, the StarkVPN app. So you open the app. After installing the app Kofnet, it will take you to its home screen. So when you reach here, you tap on this option which says SNI Generator. So you open the Kofnet app, and then when you reach here, you open this app. Then you pick the SNI Generator option, and when you reach on this list, they will say that select your country. So you tap on it, and right away you scroll along until you find your country name. And this app, like the SNI which are gonna be provided from this app, will help us when you are setting our StarkVPN. So the SNI will enhance the connection and it will work along with the app so that you can get a secure connection, extra protection when you are using StarkVPN. So this SNI is crucial, and SNIs work for different countries. That's why when you come on this web, like on this app which is the SNI Generator, it is specified the countries. So in case you pick a different country, that SNI will not work in your country. And to secure your connection and add extra layer of security, and also to have a smooth setup and achieve a secure connection, when you reach here, you pick your country name. Make sure to locate and pick your country name. For example, in case you are from Turkey, you pick Turkey, then you click on generate. And when you generate, you can see that this app will help you to generate the available SNI in your country. And in case the generated SNI is not working, you can tap on this next button, and the system will also generate a different SNI, and so on and so on. So the more you click on next, the more this generator will help you to give you the other SNI. So that applies you in whatever world, or I mean in whatever country you are from. So for example, in case you are from Uganda, you pick Uganda, then you click on generate, and when you generate, the app will give you the specific SNIs which can help you in Uganda to secure your connection when you are using a VPN app. So, and in case the generated SNI is not working for you, and then you can tap on next, and the system will also generate another SNI. So make sure to learn on how to use this SNI generator. So the more you click, as you can see right here, the SNI keep changing, and in case you are not from Uganda, you can also pick your country in the list. So after doing that, you copy any of the available. Make sure to pick your country. I repeat, make sure to pick your country when you are on this page, because when you pick a different country, the setup will not work and it will not connect. So make sure to pick your country, and you can copy the SNI when you get, or when you reach on this site, and then after picking your country, you can generate the SNI. After generating, you copy the SNI to your clipboard. You can either test this SNI if it is still functional by opening Chrome, and you visit this website. It is called Host Checker. This is only done to verify whether the generated SNI is still valid or it is not. In case it is not valid, make sure it will not work. So when you reach on the Host Checker or website, you tap here, then you paste here the generated SNI, and then you click on SSL shake, and you wait for it to run, and it will say either it is valid or it is not. But the one we have chosen, it says it is still valid. And in case you get a different result, like this, it means that this SNI it's not working. In case you could not retrieve SSL certificate or anything related, it means that the SNI will be down and it will not be working. So you go back on the host generator, then you generate another one so that you can get a working one in order to set up StarkVPN. So just in case you get a SNI and it displays that certificate is still valid, SSL certificate is still valid, it means that the SNI it is valid. So you go back on the home screen after verifying that. That step is crucial to avoid connection errors, and it will help you. So you open StarkVPN app and you tap here, then you pick custom settings, and after that you tap right here on the 3 lines, and among the presented you pick custom settings, and from the connection methods you can either pick HTTP, TCP or SSL. And for today's guide, let me show you on how to set up this SSL. And when you reach here, tap on SSL just like that, then in the box you see that custom SNI. Remember, we have already generated the SNI and we have already copied the SNI, and also we have already checked and seen that the SNI is still valid. So you just simply paste here the SNI which I have generated, and after pasting here the SNI, you take bit remote, and then you can adjust the port, or you can put here a port which is working in your country. And in case you make any changes like adding extra space in the SNI field, it will interrupt the connection and the connection will not work, like the app will not connect. In case of any slight mistake when you are setting up, or in case of using a different port, it will not also work. So make sure to be accurate and also make sure to use the corresponding port, for example 443, or you can use a port which is 880, just like that, or you can use 443. So after verifying that you don't have any extra mistake or any extra space in your SNI, for example, in case you put here an extra space just like that, this SNI will not be valid. So you make sure it's accurately pasted. No extra editing is required within the custom SNI. This is done to make sure you are accurate, and in order for the app to connect and work as it secures your connection. So after doing that, leave these ones unchecked and then you click on save, and then you save your settings. And when you save your settings, you are able to tap on this start button. And in case the connection doesn't go through, it means that the SNI is not working at the moment. So the troubleshooting tip is that you go back on this SNI generator, and then you generate another SNI from your country, for example, and then you pick another one. Just you change from this, let's say you have chosen this, then you click on next, and then you pick this one or another one. This is just an extra step or a troubleshooting like idea or tip for you in case the app fails to connect. And that's how we configure StarkVPN, and that's how we set it up with custom settings. And please make sure to like, share and subscribe on this channel, comment in the comment section. And in case you are facing any challenges when you are setting up this app, or in case it fails to connect, I've already given you the troubleshooting ideas